C1 Ultra Computer Software Installation Tutorial. First, in the box of tools and accessories, take out the USB stick. There is a TF data card on the back of the machine. Press it inward. Take out the data card. This card is used for computer software installation and the connection between the machine and the phone. After the software is installed successfully, you need to reinsert the data card into the back. To avoid loss, insert the memory card into the USB flash drive adapter. Plug the power cord into the machine. And insert the other end into the power interface on the back. Insert the other end into the power socket. Take the data cable out of the tool and accessories box. Plug in the data cable connecting the machine to the computer. Turn on the machine. Software installation. USB flash drive. Plug in the USB drive. Open the folder. Click the USB drive. Click Windows. Click Driver. Double-click 341-ESER. Click Install. Wait for the driver to install. Installation is successful. Click OK. Close this page. Return to the Windows page. Click on Software. Double-click DAJA C1. Click Next. Here you can change the file installation path. It is recommended to modify the path to easy to find folders in the directory. Later, you need to open the software from the download location. Click Install. Click Finish. Find the previous step, installation directory of the downloaded software. Click on DAJA. Double-click the DAJA application. Click Start Creation. Plug in the connection cable between the computer and the machine. The software will automatically recognize the machine and connect. Click Settings. You can change the language here. Just select according to your needs. Click Confirm. Then reopen the software. Click Start Creation. The language change of the software is now complete. Focus. Place the carving on the machine's carving platform. These two buttons on the top of the machine are focus buttons. Press one of them to make 2 points into one, which means focusing is successful. If the height of the carving object is different, you need to refocus again. Text engraving. Click the T icon. Enter the text you want to engrave here. Then click Confirm. The dots around the text. Here is to rotate the text. These 4 corners are for scaling the text. The text size is also modified here. This command is to center the text in the grid. Parameter. Speed. The higher the speed, the faster the laser moves. The carving will be shallower. The lower, the slower the laser moves. And the carving will be deeper. Speed 5000. Power. The higher the light, the greater the power. The deeper the carving. The lower the power, the smaller the power output. The shallower the carving. Power 60. Engraving times. 1 means engraving once. The second is to engrave twice. The more times you carve, the deeper the carving will be. Engraving material reference table. You can contact the platform customer service or contact after sales technicians for assistance. Click Preview to select the carving position. If the carving position is not where you need to carve, you can manually move the carving object. To modify the carving position, close the machine cover. Click Preview again, which means stop previewing, after the carving position and parameters are determined. Click Start. Next, we will fill the text for engraving. Click Line. Change line to fill. This changes the text to a filled style. Hold the small circle in the middle of the text and drag it. To change the carving position of the text, release the mouse after changing it. Keep the speed unchanged. Change the carving times to 1. Power 50. Click Preview to see the carving position. After the carving position is determined, close the protective cover. Click Preview again to stop previewing. After the engraving position and parameters are determined, click Start. QR code editing and engraving. Click the T text icon. Here, you need to check QR code and enter the text. Click to confirm. The text will automatically become a QR code. Adjust the size of the QR code carving. Hold the middle point of the QR code and drag it to the position. Speed 5000. Engraving once. Power 40. We click the text icon again. Check barcode. To generate a barcode, enter the text. Click to confirm. Now the barcode is generated. In the same grid area, even if there are two different engraving styles, can be completed at once. Adjust the QR code and barcode, engraving size and position, then select the QR code and barcode. Click Preview. Close the protective cover after the carving position is set. After the position and parameters are determined, click Start. The material reference table for engraving. You can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician. Pattern editing and engraving. Click the folder icon. Select the image you need to engrave. Click Open. Click to confirm. Adjust the size. Click Center. Roll mouse wheel zoom software interface. Speed 4500. With power 90. Click Preview. Manually adjust the carving position. Stop preview. Click Start after the position parameters are determined. Vector editing and engraving. Click the folder icon. Select the vector image you need to engrave. Click Open. Roll mouse wheel zoom software interface. Adjust the size. Click to center. Vector images can be edited here to change the lines or fillings. Speed 3500. Power 85. Click Preview. Manually adjust the carving position. Stop preview. Click Start after the position parameters are determined. The material reference table for engraving. You can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician. Base lift. When carving objects higher than 25 millimeters, or when using a roller engraving, you need to adjust the height of the machine base. Unplug the power. Put the machine flat. Remove for screws. Pull out the base lifting bracket. After pulling it out, align the holes of the. Align it with the hole of the machine slider. Then fix the 4 screws. Then straighten the machine. Rotating shaft. The adjustment method of the width of the rotating shaft. Loosen it with a hex wrench here. Larger cups don't need to be adjusted. Here, you can adjust the width of the rotating shaft. This width is suitable for engraving lipstick tubes or other carvings of similar size to lipstick tubes. But when we carve a larger cup, we don't need to adjust it to be so narrow, just wide enough. Then tighten it again. Plug in the rotary shaft cable. The other end is plugged into the interface on the back of the machine. Place the rotating shaft on the machine's carving platform. Place the rotating shaft facing the right side of the machine. Then place the cylindrical carving on the rotating shaft. Focus. These two buttons on the machine are for focusing. Press one of them. Just make the two points coincide to the highest point of the engraving. Text carving. Click the T icon. Enter the text content. Click Confirm. Adjust the text size. Rotate the text to display vertically. If the text is facing left, the carving on the carving will also be leftward. Next, click on Center, Speed 4000, and Power 60. Click Scroll Settings. To start the rotation axis, check the wheel type. Check Start Rotation. Y-axis. Click Confirm. Then click Preview. The rotating shaft will run synchronously with the laser. Click Start after the position parameters are determined. The material reference table for engraving. You can contact the platform customer service or the after-sales technician. Image carving. Click the folder icon. Select the image you need to engrave. Click Open. Click Confirm. Adjust the text size. Click Center. Rotate the image to vertical display. Click Scroll Settings. Check the wheel type. Check Start Rotation. Y-axis. Click Confirm. Speed 5000. Power 60. Then click Preview. If the carving position is wrong, you can manually move the carving. After the position parameters are determined, click Start.